how to disable a page menu to be unclickable on Wix. So, for example, I want to disable this block menu right here, but I still want the sub menu to be clickable. And then to do it, you want to go to your WIX editor, and then you want to go to the left side of your screen, and then choose this pages and menu. You can just click on it. And then right here on the side menu, you can just choose any page that you want to be unclickable. After that, you want to go to the bottom of your screen, and then click right here on add menu item, and then you want to choose on drop down. Or if you cannot find this drop down text, you can just choose any choice that have this symbol like this one. And then you want to click on it. After that, you can just rename the drop down right here as the menu that you want to be unclickable. For example, I want to make it block unclickable, so I rename it to be block. And then click done. And then after that, you can drag the new drop down all the way to the same place of the menu that you want to be replaced on top of it. And then after you've done dragging around, you can just choose the original menu and then click this three dots right here, and then choose on hide from menu so people don't get confused by the same page menu. And then after that, you can just click on publish at the very top right of your screen. And then after that, if I go back to my Wix site and I hit refresh at my browser, and then right here, I can click on home, but I cannot click on block, but I can click on the sub menu of the block. And I can click shop, search result, and FAQ and so on, but not the block. And that's it. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.